Children, let's see the things we see in a living room. Shall we see now? This one is a TV. This one TV. This one sofa, teapot, then flower vase, then photo frames. Then here it's a showcase. These are all the things we see in a living room. Children, now let's see the things we see in a kitchen. Okay, chimney. This is a chimney. Then these are all pans. This one microwave oven. This one refrigerator. Then this is cupboards that we store things on it. Then this is a wash basin. Match each object to its related room. This is a living room. What are all the things we see in a living room? Now we will match it. Okay. This is TV we see in a living room. This is newspaper we see in a living room. This is a teapot we see in a living room. Then this is vase we see in a living room. Then this is a kitchen. We will match the things that we see in a kitchen. This is a gas cylinder we see in a kitchen. This is a kettle we see in a kitchen. This is a pan we see in the kitchen. This is a pan we see in the kitchen. You should do it in your book.